Hello, different Techbos, new product in, and thanks to Fastway, the box got destroyed. So you can see here number 2. It's from TORRAS, and it's Coolify 2. So what we're going to do is unbox it for you today, and then we're going to take it off and take it for a spin and see what it's all about. You can see you've got a lanyard strap here, like so, or a carabiner, if you want to call it that. Carry your cool nice and solid. And you've got 2 zippers there with the TORRAS branding up on top. So let's open it up. It opens up like so, nicely presented as you can see. And inside we get a cap. We get our charging cable inside as well. USB-A, USB-C. And you get some instructions. So let's have a look and see what it says here. So you've got support on that. You have got in here, you've got some instructions on how to use the product, and you have got product name and all that kind of stuff there, because there's 3 versions of this product here. So basically what this is a neck cooler. So you'll put it around your neck. It's not a pair of headphones and might come across as a pair of headphones. It looks like them, and you can see the TORRAS branding there on top. So it's got a nice soft touch to it there. It kind of splits the two sides there. And you can see here you've got one button here, one button here. You've got fans here and here. And you've more vents up on here and here. And you can see here that you've got the fans here that will blow out the air. So basically what you're going to be doing is just going to be putting this around your neck, and you can use the cool down. There's a couple of different modes. So it's coming up to a nice couple of warm days this weekend here, so we're going to take it off. And we'll be back with a review and let you know how all the things working and all that kind of stuff then. So stay tuned after the break for some of that. Hello, Jim Tech Buzz, and we're back with the Coolify 2 from TORRAS. So we've tested this out now for a few days, and it's pretty cool, pun intended. So who's this for, you might ask? It's for people that are into fitness, jogging, running, anything like that, hiking. And if you tend to get warm, cycling, all that kind of stuff, it's ideal for the likes of them, or anyone that's into sports at all, or anyone that just likes to get cooled down in general, to be honest with you, which would fall under my category. You do a bit of sports now and then, but nothing too exciting. And this is what you're going to be getting here and what you're looking at. Now, people have asked what this was and was wearing it, thinking they were headphones, but they're not. And I explained to them what was going on with it and what it does. And when people actually tried it and felt the fan here, the air coming out, and how effective it is, it's pretty good and it's pretty cool. So you can use the term cool for a pun a lot in this review, because that's what it is, and that's basically what it does. Now, you do let it sit on your neck. It's not going to fall off your neck, but if you're jogging or stuff like that, it may tend to bounce a little bit, but not too much. Like it kind of sits nicely around your neck. Again, everyone's neck size is going to be different, so it's just a matter of how big your neck is to get that perfect fit. If you're jogging, yeah, it will jump a little bit, but if you're cycling or anything like that, any other sports like that, it'll be fine. It'll sit nicely, and you'll forget it, it's there after a while, even though it is a bit on the large side. So, as you've seen in the box, you've got 2 buttons, and that's basically what controls it. And you have F1, so you might be able to hear the fan there. So we're going to speed her up. So you can see here, it's got 79, and you have your option here. So you've got C and F. So you have two modes, and that's basically how it works. And you can speed her up like that. So you might be able to hear it there. And that's basically how it's going to work. So you're just going to pick it up, pop it on like so, like that, and you can hear the air coming up here. It's pretty cool, and it's really cool if you're warm particularly. It does a superb job. And not only that, you can actually turn around the opposite side and put it on if you want to cool your chest down. So you can use it in both directions if you want, and that's basically how that's going to work, in that way. So you can use it upside down or this way. It's up to yourself. It does a great job on both sides, so that's what you have to look at. So what else you need to know about this is that you've got a 360 degree airflow. You've 18 hours of cooling with one charge, which is pretty good. And you can choose the setting mode for the battery life, because the more you use will obviously impede the battery life. So that's why you have this scale here. You've got two modes, F1 and C. And you've got smart NTC temperature control for heating and cooling using AI, which helps keep the fan in a certain mode to adjust your body temperature, which is really cool. And that's how it's work, and basically that's all there is to it. It's a pretty simple product to use. There's no app, no nothing like that, no connecting to a phone or connecting to anything. You just charge it up with the USB-C port here and stick it on, and away you go. It might be nice to include like a kind of headphone option in it as well, but it is what it is, and that's what you're going to get there. And it's just a really cool airflow that's going to blow up, and it works really well. And over the last few days here, it's been pretty warm, which was perfect timing for this one to come in, and it does a superb job. Now I typically have a fan in my room, or if I'm going away to a hotel I carry a small family. I didn't have to do that wearing having this with me, which was excellent. I just sit back and sit in the couch or the chair, have it on, and let this do its job, and it does a much better job than the fan, because it's up close and personal as opposed to a fan being beside you on a table or locker. And that's basically how it's going to work. So that basically wraps it up on what you're going to get here and what you're looking at. And it's a solid product as well. It's a simple, it is mainly built with plastic, as you can see, and it's got a glossy kind of finish as well, but it's very sturdy and tough. And you can see all the stuff there that's going on. And again, you've just the mode control button here, and your speed is here, and that's what it's looking like there. You can see the vents there, and you can hear the air coming out up on top there, which is excellent. And that's basically it there, and what we can say and how it is. It's just a cool product, and that's basically what it is, and it cools you down. And it's the second version. They had one before last year. Do check it out. We'll leave a link below to the site, and you can have a look at their other options. They do have other similar options like this as well on site. Some are a bit more expensive, some are more cheaper, and do different things, and are style slightly different as well. But that basically wraps it up for the TORRAS Coolify 2 neckband. That gives you a nice blast of cool air when you record it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.